Did you know in 1932, Australia declared war on emus? Yes, you heard that right. The military, armed with machine guns, took on a flock of flightless birds. What happened next is absolutely wild. It all started when thousands of emus invaded farmlands in Western Australia, destroying vital crops. Farmers, many ex-soldiers themselves, demanded military intervention. So Major GPW Meredith and his unit were dispatched, expecting an easy victory. But the emus proved to be surprisingly formidable adversaries. They were fast, incredibly elusive, and shockingly resilient. Machine guns jammed, tactics failed, and the birds scattered, making them incredibly difficult targets. The soldiers were constantly outmaneuvered by mere birds. After weeks of comical skirmishes, and using only 10% of their ammunition, the military retreated, having killed only a fraction of the estimated 20,000 emus. The Emu War was a humiliating defeat for the Australian Army, forever etched in history as one of the most bizarre conflicts ever. What would you do if birds declared war on humanity?